How to clear cache on iPhone apps. If you want to clear cache files on iPhone apps, iPhones, unlike Android, does not have the default option to clear the cache. But there is two things that you can do. One is that for the app that you're trying to clear the cache for, you might want to try to uninstall or remove the app completely or reinstall it. Otherwise, what you can do is simply open up Settings, then go to General, then you can simply go to iPhone Storage, select the app for which you want to maybe clear the cache files for. Then what happens is after you select that app, tap on the Offload App button. Then when you tap on the Offload App button, reinstall the app again, and that will most likely delete all the cache files with it. iPhone does not tend to actually store that much of cache files, so sometimes that you might doubt it, then you can try to uninstall and reinstall the app. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.